I've walked through Logan Square more times than I can count, and every time I do, I discover something new. Today, I want to show you a few of my favorite hidden gems that are hiding in plain sight. So come on, let's go for a walk. Let's start with the Illinois Sentinel Monument. This bad boy was built in 1918 by the designer Henry Bacon, who also designed the Lincoln Memorial in DC. Come on, let's keep walking. One thing I love about Logan Square is that there's always seemed to be artwork popping up somewhere. Murals like this are one of the reasons I always enjoy walking instead of driving. Come on, let's keep walking. Believe it or not, this wasn't built as a bowling alley. It actually started as an ice factory before being transformed into Fireside Bowl in 1941. There's so much history here that I'm giving it its own episode. Stay tuned. Come on, let's keep walking. I always do a double take when I walk past this one. It used to be a neighborhood store, but today it's a unique apartment. And if you look closely, an old lotto sign is still hanging outside. Come on, let's keep walking. I know it's just an alley, but I love these old brick streets. They're full of character, and they're one of those little details that make Chicago feel like Chicago. Come on, let's keep walking. Are we in Lincoln Park Zoo looking at a giraffe? Nah, it's just a mailbox. Come on, let's keep walking. I hope you enjoyed exploring Logan Square with me today. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to BB in the City. And don't miss part 3 next Sunday. We're not done exploring Logan Square just yet. Until then, remember every corner has a story.